Nissan is one of the few businesses to have had such a big impact on high-performance car engineering. The brand is also recognized for making iconic cars like the Skyline GTR, Z cars, and Nissan GTR. The brand is also known for combining innovation and raw performance. Nissan Turbocharged V6 engines are the foundation of this performance tradition. These engines have set modern performance standards and sparked disputes about whether they are too strong for mainstream usage. Let us examine the engineering behind these engines and why their massive power has garnered praise and criticism worldwide. Nissan's VR38 DETT Turbo V6 powerhouse. The iconic Nissan GT-R R35 uses the VR38 DETT twin turbocharged 3.8-liter V6 engine. Nissan's performance portfolio revolves around the engine. This engine is a marvel of modern engineering, producing 600 horsepower in its most extreme Nismo version. Key factors in its massive output include twin IHI turbochargers, reduce turbo lag, and provide a consistent boost across RPM. They are designed for vehicle installation. Plasma-coated cylinders. This cutting-edge technology reduces friction and increases heat dissipation, improving durability even under extreme stress. Each bank of cylinders has its intake and exhaust, optimizing airflow for efficiency. An independent intake and exhaust system. These innovations make the VR38 DETT a technological marvel, but they also offer challenges in regulating the massive power output, which affects both the drivetrain and the driver. Why power beyond control is a problem. The Nissan GT-R high-performance engineering faces key challenges. While exploring performance's power and dangers, with its cutting-edge technology and unstoppable power, the Nissan GT-R has been called a high-tech supercar. Fans and potential owners should be aware of engineering limits that limit speed. Let's look at 4 areas where the GT-R's power pushes drivability, durability, and safety limits. 1. Traction and driving capacity. Even with the latest all-wheel drive systems like Nissan's ATS, Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for all-terrain with electronic torque split, developing more than 500 horsepower is difficult. Although this technology distributes torque between the front and rear axles to improve grip, the GT-R's engine can be too powerful for the tires, especially on rainy, slick, or uneven roads. In low traction situations, novice drivers struggle to manage their automobiles. Even with technological help, a sudden burst of power from the dual turbocharged V6 engine could spin the wheels or lose grip. Thus, good tire care and driver skills are crucial while running a high-performance machine of this kind. Second, transmission stress. The GT-R's dual-clutch gearbox DCT is a highlight. It facilitates rapid gear changes, ensuring uninterrupted power delivery. However, torque often reaches 480 pound-feet, putting the gearbox under extreme stress. Although sturdy, the sophisticated DCT technology wears out after many strong launches, severe acceleration, and long, high-speed driving. Frequent track or spirited driving can increase gearbox wear, requiring costly repairs or replacements. Proper maintenance, fluid changes, and careful launch control can lessen some of the hazards, but the sheer amount of mechanical power involved always increases the risk of costly failures. Third, heat management. Heat soak is common in turbocharged engines like the GT-R's 3.8-liter V6. Nissan's engineers installed enormous radiators, an oil cooler, and intercoolers in the GT-R, but high-power driving, such as during track sessions, may strain these systems. When heat exceeds the cooling system's capability, performance degradation and mechanical stress must be prevented. Many engine owners use aftermarket radiators, oil coolers, and airflow systems to maintain power output and protect engine components. Anyone who plans to drive the GTR beyond normal conditions must invest in cooling solutions.
4. Driver safety and legal limits. The GTR's 0 to 60 miles per hour time is less than 3 seconds, similar to supercars costing 3 times as much. This incredible speed causes several problems on public roads. An automobile that can reach high speeds in seconds may not be able to accommodate traffic laws, road conditions, or other drivers. Acceleration can be thrilling, but passengers must be more attentive and responsible. Losing control at high speeds can be fatal. Due to its performance, law enforcement agencies often target the GTR. To enjoy the GTR without endangering yourself or others or exceeding legal limits, learn safe driving and power management. Economic and environmental considerations. 1. Fuel efficiency. Turbocharged engines are notoriously gas-hungry under pressure. Despite advances in engineering, a high-output turbo V6 engine like the VR38D ETT may struggle to get more than 16 to 20 miles per gallon under normal operating circumstances. Fuel use increases owners' financial burdens and environmental concerns. 2. Maintenance costs. Optimizing high-performance turbo engines requires careful maintenance. Some fans find turbocharger breakdowns, timing chain changes, and transmission upkeep expensive, making ownership of these powerful vehicles difficult. Can too much power maintain performance? As vehicle technology advances, automakers are exploring ways to balance power, sustainability, and safety. High-performance platforms are adding hybrid and electric drivetrains to reduce pollutants and fuel consumption. Nissan will likely add hybrid power to the upcoming GTR. The turbocharged engine will be combined with electrification for more controlled performance with hybrid assistance. Turbocharged V6 engines like the VR38D ETT have pushed the limits. But how much power is too much? Drivers and manufacturers must update their roles as technology advances. Safety systems, enhanced traction control, and advanced driver aid systems are needed to harness the current engine's massive power. Final remarks. Nissan's Turbo V6 engines have set a new performance standard, proving that automotive engineering can evolve. Engineers who develop these vehicles and those who operate them must remember that with immense power comes great responsibility. To safely enjoy these powertrains, you must understand and appreciate their massive potential, even though pushing the limits is fun. Ultimately, the controversy over Nissan's Turbo V6 engine's power is about technology and human judgment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.